Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to start a Volkswagen Passat. Begin by sitting comfortably, buckle your seatbelt, and verify the gear is in park or neutral. Press the brake pedal firmly. Check mirrors and climate settings, confirm the parking brake is engaged, and ensure no warning lights require attention. Keep your key or fob ready and stay calm as you prepare to start the engine. If your Passat uses a key, insert it into the ignition and turn to the on position. For keyless models, keep the fob inside and press the brake before pressing the start button. Listen for the fuel pump and dashboard self-checks before cranking. If the engine does not start immediately, wait a few seconds and try again rather than holding the starter down. Always follow safety prompts shown on the display. With the brake applied, turn the key or press the start/stop button until the engine comes alive, then release immediately once it runs smoothly. Allow the engine to idle briefly to stabilize oil pressure and cabin systems. Watch the instrument cluster for normal oil, battery, and coolant indicators to confirm everything is functioning. If unusual sounds or lights appear, stop and investigate before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.